Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT's channel. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? On this very video, we're gonna be making mushroom sauce for healthy living and for natural weight loss journey. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, which is the first bell icon. This enables you get notified each time I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. So the whole ingredients I will be using in this video will be on the description box down below the video, and I will be telling you more about this main ingredient called mushroom. So without wasting much of your time, mushrooms are a rich low-calorie source of fiber. Yes, it contains protein and antioxidants. They also help mitigate the risk of developing serious health conditions. Mushroom also helps to prevent heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Do you know that wild mushrooms can make a tasty dish, but the toxins in some mushrooms can trigger vital health issues? Some wild mushrooms also contain high levels of heavy metals and other harmful chemicals. To avoid these dangers, only consume mushrooms from a reliable source. So when consuming your mushrooms, make sure you don't overconsume the wild one. Always consume the one from a reliable source, which is the normal ones you find easily from the supermarket or from the shop or from the grocery. So let's talk about more mushrooms. You want to make sure you wash your mushroom and peel it off just the way I'm doing it now. Some people don't peel their mushroom. Some people are ignorant of it, but this is very easy to do. After washing, you just take a little knife and just peel it off, and then you are good to go for any recipe you want to use it for. So this recipe I'm making is specially for my weight loss journey, and it helps so much a lot because it helps you prevent yourself eating so much protein, so much meat and others. So it is naturally healthy 100%. So mushrooms don't just taste nice, they also pack a nutritional punch as they are loaded with vitamins to promote a healthy immune system and boost your bone health. That is why we consider as a superfood. And for those looking for weight loss benefits, mushroom contains no cholesterol or gluten either. Before I added this to my weight journey recipe, I'm someone who loves mushroom, but I did more research about it and I found out that it is just perfect for me. Yes, it is perfect for me. It's health-wise, it is very good. Weight loss journey, it is perfect. So I want to make sure I peel all my mushrooms, and then I'll go ahead and continue the process. This sauce I am making, this mushroom sauce, contains no fat, contains no other protein. The only main protein here is the mushroom, and it's only the only protein I'm using. So keep watching. Do you know that most people classify mushroom as vegetables, but mushroom is not a vegetable, but technically it is not a plant. So therefore it belongs to the food called fungi, which is also the same class as lentils and other fungi food. The B vitamins, riboflavin and niacin, which are especially important for people who don't eat meat. Yes, this recipe is very okay for vegan if you are a vegan, because most vegans are people who don't eat meat, and some don't eat fish, some don't eat egg. It depends. So mushroom is a very good um idea for people who are vegans. So And do you know that mushroom is also a good source of selenium and potassium? Anyway, let's continue the main video. Alright, so this is my mushroom uh, or seasoning. So I'm just gonna mix that with some water, and then I'll transfer it into my cooking pot while I'll boil that for some time, and then we'll continue the video. To my new subscribers during the week, I appreciate you. I see you all. Mega shout out to you, and keep coming back for good content and for better content. Don't forget to click on the first bell. This will enable you to get notified when I upload a new video. And if you haven't subscribed but watching my video, thank you so much. I hope my video means a lot to you and it is helpful to you. So after mixing to the consistency I want the seasoning to be, then I will just add my other ingredients, which is my diced onions, oregano. You can never go wrong with oregano, seriously. And then my ginger powder, basil leaf, and parsley dried leaf. My white pepper, you can add as much as you want, and just a little pinch of salt, a little. You know, salt is not so healthy, especially for weight loss journey and for our health. Salt is not healthy. So I'm the person who cannot do without salt, so I just put a little just to get that little taste of it in my food. So I'll put this to simmer or to boil for like 5 minutes to cook the seasoning and every other vegetables I've added, and then I will be back. So after 5 minutes of cooking, you see it has thickened up and it is boiling so nice. So now I will be adding my mushroom. After giving the proper stir, I will add my mushroom bit by bit and give it a proper stir so that it can settle down properly in the pot, and then I will be covering to cook for just 2 minutes. Yes, mushroom is very soft, so you don't want to overcook it, and it has its own water, so you don't want to overcook this. So I'll be covering this for 5, then it is ready. You can choose to use this sauce for vegetables like potato, um, banana, plantain, yam, anything of your choice. Pasta, oh, for pasta it is perfect. So, but meanwhile, I will be using mine with something else. Something else. So it's 2 minutes, and I'll just give that a proper stir. Look at that. So for the weight loss journey, I do eat brown rice now, so no more white rice. So I'm be dishing this with my brown cooked soft rice. I always like my rice soft, so don't come for me that I overcooked my brown rice. I like my rice always soft. So I'll be serving this with my brown rice, and let me know what you think on the comment section. And if you try this recipe, let me know what you think or how it tastes like. And don't forget to stay blessed and stay safe until next video. Bye. People